Hi everyone, Devin, Sarah, and this is Tim.
Tim, don't move that.
Hallelujah.
Devin, I got the green bag.
Awesome.
And I found Troy. It's a dog in here. Hi Joy. Hi Liam, how you doing? Hey,
You're filming?
Yeah, yes, it's just stuff. Hi. Hi, stop. Okay, stop.
We are on our way up to Camp Timpanookie.
And we are also going
Timpanogos.
Nope, Timpanookie is what it's
The
called.
campground is called Timpanookie.
But it's Mount Timpanogos.
It is Mount Timpanogos, but the campground is called Camp
And here's
Timpanookie.
Jimmer.
We just left your parents, Sarah.
Yeah.
We picked up some, I don't know, random things.
Picked up a Dutch oven.
Oh yeah, so we went to
An
the
Able
rocket
Skipper pan.
yesterday.
All right, it's
So we just
Thursday,
left it. They're like, let's let
June?
the janitor find it.
18th, 2020. And the Allsops are in town, as you can plainly see.
And you can plainly
visiting
see
from
the dog
Houston.
whining back.
We, for better or for worse, decided to offer taking the Allsop kids, the 3 oldest, camping with us. And then Tyler and his 2 oldest girls, Hallie and Hayden, will be joining us in an hour or 2. We just got McDonald's because the kids hadn't eaten yet. And we are now on our way up, well, not yet. We're driving to the campground.
Devin has been chopping wood with his hatchet and his leg.
Yeah, my leg.
Tyler just arrived.
You're gonna catch butterflies.
So here's
Butterflies.
our campsite. We have a fun little path. There's Troy. Hey!
Tyler, whose is this?
Fun sight. Getting some briquettes going so we can have cobbler later. Careful of that one because it has a broken door. That side, I mean.
Oh, which side? This side?
That side's broken, yeah.
Or what? This side?
Sometimes he's noticed.
Yeah, she bought this butterfly catcher.
Cool!
And a butterfly net.
butterfly net. It's a bug net.
Bug net. What do you think, Tim?
That's
Where's
great.
your sleeping bag? We need to go put it in our tent.
Great.
Yeah, where's your sleeping bag? If you want to sleep in our tent, but you don't.
Awesome.
I said let's go in a baby.
Are we gonna camp in a cheeseburger or you gonna eat
cheeseburger.
I heard you. That was so silly. So we have Caitlin and Hayden,
Great, because I don't want to.
Holly and Tim and Troy and Liam. Hey Tim, will you zip it up a little bit? We don't want bugs to get in there. And then this one, I guess, the adults. So yay for getting a tent by ourselves. That'll be great. Tonight for dinner, we are having tinfoil dinners. And then for dessert, we're gonna have cobbler and s'mores.
Oh, is that the food right there?
Yeah, that's the food.
Cooking biscuits right now to go with our dinner.
And I'm not eating my other dinner. I'm just eating
This is like the best way to do it.
We have more biscuits too.
Stay. No, stay.
You'll at least try stuff. And now we are about to make ice cream. Sarah likes doing this.
I do, it's so fun.
So we're gonna put, yeah, we're gonna put
2 bags in there.
we're gonna put ice in these bags.
Let's split that between 2 of these.
Okay. So after we put ice in there, then we're gonna put rock salt. And the rock salt,
Whoa!
the rock salt mixes with the ice, super freezing it to freeze the ice cream, because ice cream has a lower freezing temperature than water. So we have peach cobbler over there. Sarah made all by herself. Kids are gonna shake up their ice cream, eat the ice cream, and we're gonna mix it with this peach cobbler in here, which looks, I think like it's pretty much done. Oh yes. Even smells delicious. Oh, Hayden, what's wrong? What's wrong, princess? Oh, what's wrong? Oh, come here. Come here. Whoa. Whoa, there you go. Come on. Oh, let's go. There you go. There you go. Okay, we're making ice cream now. Liam looks like he's doing a good job shaking it. Troy, good job. Shake, shake, shake. Don't drop it. Try not to drop it. Tyler's taking it very seriously. Hayden is cooking a stick. Good job, a pole. Hot dog stick. What do you guys think? Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm done.
I'd rather have this than regular ice cream.
This is awesome.
I'm done.
Yeah,
I'd
I'm
rather
done.
have regular ice cream.
Well, I don't blame you.
That ice cream made me more cold.
How is it, Sarah?
Are you
Good.
wearing pajamas?
What do you think, Caitlin?
I'm gonna go put
Caitlin,
on my
what do you
pajama
think?
pants.
Good.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh!
Liam, that's not the proper way to cook a marshmallow, you guys.
It's the fastest and funnest way.
Yeah, I guess so, but
Come on, come on, come on. Ooh, I got a big burn. Okay. I think that's done. Nope. I can't see. One more.
Liam, no! Liam, stop it! You're totally burning it now. It's not gonna be good.
Eat it! I dare you! Hey, look at this 100% run. 100. This is 100%. 100% burnt.
Looks like Anakin Skywalker.
This is 100,000 million tons of good.
Let's listen to the story.
All right.
What story?
Now this is the story of Ichabod Crane. Ichabod Crane, he was a skinny man. He had a long neck. And he liked women quite a lot, actually. And every day he'd go and he'd try and ask these women out. And he would, you know, try and impress them with his knowledge. But other men, they didn't really like Ichabod Crane because he was too smart for his own good.
It's going.
And so one day, one of the men said, Ichabod, you're not as smart as you think you are. Did you know that there is a headless horseman that rides these woods? And Ichabod Crane said, no, I don't believe you. There's no such thing. No such thing as a headless horseman. And the other man said, yes. Yes, Ichabod, there is. There is. It's true, a headless horseman. And every Halloween, he rides these parts on his great black stallion with no head. Instead of a head, he's got a great big jack-o'-lantern. And he throws it. And he kills his victims. Because he has no head, chops their heads off.
And he wants their heads.
For his own. Ichabod Crane said, no, there's no such thing as a headless horseman. I don't believe you of it all. I said, well, there's only one way for you to find out. After midnight, Halloween, if you stick around these woods, you'll see them. And if you get too scared, you'll have to cross this bridge. It crosses the river over there. And if you can make it past the bridge, you'll be safe. If you can make it past midnight, you can have any girl you want, and we won't stop you. Ichabod said, well, sounds like a great plan to me. I'm not afraid of no headless horseman. And so, on Halloween night, Ichabod Crane walked out into the woods, and he waited until midnight. It was 11:58. And he heard the sound of a horse from far away. Ichabod Crane, he thought, no, that was probably just the wind. I don't believe it, no. Headless horseman. But then he started hearing the bells from the town nearby. The bells telling him that it was midnight. Dong. Dong, dong, dong. Yeah! And he turned around and he saw the headless horseman with a great big jack-o'-lantern in his hand, and it was on fire. And then the headless horseman took off after Ichabod, and Ichabod ran for his life. He was running and screaming his head off. Ah, he's real, he's gonna get me. And he was running. And do you know where he was running to? He was running to the bridge. Because he knew that if he could make it past the bridge, he'd be safe. And he was running. He got to the bridge. Was the bridge bigger than this? Oh, I swear the bridge was smaller than this before. This has taken me forever, he thought, trying to cross the bridge. He was running. He was halfway across. He got close to the other side. He thought, I made it. Just as he was about to reach the other side. Wham! He was hit from behind by the great big jack-o'-lantern. He fell to the ground. And then the headless horseman caught up to him. Cried the horse. And the headless horseman, do you know what he said? Nothing. Because he had no head. He got off his horse. Ichabod Crane was crawling from the bridge. I can make it, he thought. But no, it was too late. The headless horseman took another head that night. Boo! And that's the story of Ichabod Crane. The end.
So scary.
Tell us a happy story.
Okay.
Now we'll do some good.
All right. Here's another story about your father Tyler, right? And for those, for those of you who Tyler is your father, that makes sense. Hallie and him. And for those who Charlotte is your mother, here's a story. Everybody's got to listen. When I was 16, I thought I was so cool. I thought I was the best. I just got my driver's license, and I could drive anywhere. I had my car, which I shared with your Uncle Alan, but Uncle Alan didn't care about driving. He didn't care about girls that much either at the time. He just cared about being on his computer and beating everybody at Team Fortress or Quake.
Which he did.
Which he did. He was really good at it.
He was very good. I watched him a lot.
But me, I cared a lot about girls. And I cared a lot about being able to drive my new car. And so I was so proud and thought I was so cool that Mom, your Grandma Jana, she said, okay, you can drive your younger siblings around. I was was like, great, okay, I'll be in charge of that. I can take them places. And so I would drive Charlotte and Tyler to places, mostly Charlotte. I can't remember driving Tyler to too many places.
Whatever, man, all the time.
But on one occasion, we were driving back from church. And I turned on the radio and we started listening to this awesome song by, who knows, probably Mariah Carey, something like that. And I started singing it like this, really high, because I thought I could sing so well. And Charlotte did not think I could sing very well. And so she said, Devin, you don't sound very good. You shouldn't sing that way. Besides, it's Sunday, we probably shouldn't be listening to this anyway. And I was like, oh my gosh, I cannot believe that Charlotte just said that to me. I'm going to make her pay. And poor Tyler was in the back seat of the car at the time. Tyler was only 11 and Charlotte was only 13.
I remember hearing, apologize.
That's right. And I said, Charlotte, apologize. She's like, what? No, I'm not going to apologize to you. I'm like, fine. I'm just not going to take you home then. And not only that, I think it might have been Fast Sunday. And both Charlotte and Tyler were pretty hungry. And so we just kept driving around. And I was like, fine, I'm not going to take you home until you apologize to me. And Tyler was like, Devin, please. Please take me home. I'm so hungry. Please. And I was like, well, not until Charlotte apologizes to me. Because I think I sing well. And that was a very rude thing she said to me. And after a while...
She said you couldn't hit the notes and you were singing falsetto.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly right.
Is this real?
It is real.
Yeah.
It's a real story. So after we had been driving around for maybe 10, 15 minutes, Charlotte finally said, Devin, WWJD. And I knew what that meant. It meant WWJD was a very popular phrase at the time for Christians. It meant, what would Jesus do? So after Charlotte said that, I thought, oh my gosh, I cannot believe I'm being out-moralized by my younger sister. And so I thought, she's right. Jesus wouldn't do this. This is not something Jesus would do.
My mom was smart.
She was. Your mom
Well,
is smart.
Jesus probably wouldn't, in a petty way, point out someone's inability to sing either.
True. True. But I realized that I was the older sibling, and I had a responsibility to my younger siblings to take them home.
Still the oldest sibling?
Well, after Charlotte said that to me, I decided to take Tyler and Charlotte home. And after I dropped them off and they ran inside, I sat in the car and I thought about it for a minute. And then I went and I sat and I thought, I need to be better. I need to be a better example and not let my pride take over who I am. So Tyler and I, we were playing Smash Brothers, and Tyler liked to play this character named Kirby, right?
Oh yeah, I know that. Troy loves him.
Oh, were you Fox? I thought you were Kirby.
Oh, Fox.
I'm tired.
So Tyler played Fox, and I guess I probably was Pikachu because I almost always played Pikachu.
Yeah.
And so Tyler, he beat Tyler beat me with Fox. And I was so mad because I was 5 years older than him. And I couldn't believe that my younger brother had beaten me at this game that I thought I was so good at. And I got really mad, and Tyler was afraid. So he was like, I'm done playing. I don't want to play with you anymore if you're going to get this upset. Which happened quite a bit, actually. And so Tyler, he was like, no, I'm leaving. I'm going to go play with my friends. I don't want to play with you anymore. And I was like, and I really wanted to beat him. But I was just so mad. And I had just come back from Japan a little while earlier. And I had these... and I had
Was
these...
that your mission?
No, not on my mission. No, this was...
Where did he go on his mission?
It's just so hard to...
Sick.
So when I was 14, almost 15, I went to Japan for like 10 days.
Oh.
And I bought these realistic looking BB guns. They were handguns.
BB gun?
I still have them.
Oh, can
maybe when you...
I don't know.
It's so hard to tell this story. Okay, shh. All right, so I took one of these BB guns, and I was like, I'm gonna go shoot Tyler with my BB gun. So Tyler was out playing in there with this like small park by our house, and Tyler was out there playing with his friends, and I had my BB gun, and I snuck around the bushes till eventually Tyler got close enough, and then I shot him. What? Where did I hit you? Do you remember?
Neck.
I shot him right in the neck.
Oh my
And he's
God.
like, I'm here to tell Mom. So he ran off. And I was like, no, Tyler, don't tell Mom.
What does a BB gun do?
It shoots little tiny pellets, little BBs, little round balls.
Like 40.
It's not like a real gun, because like a real gun could kill you, but a BB gun could hit you and it could really hurt. And you're not supposed to shoot them at people.
It goes like 100 miles per hour, doesn't it?
Here, I'll do this so the
Devin.
camera can see.
You're remembering incorrectly.
Oh, okay. All right, go ahead. You might remember better than me.
You hit me in the neck. I cried very profusely.
Yeah.
And was very upset with you. You walked out and very confidently proclaimed, direct hit.
Oh yeah? Is that what I did?
Yes.
Direct hit.
I like Tyler's. I like that better. And then what happened?
So, no, you did not say don't go tell Mom. You didn't care.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh okay.
You were like, serves you right. Suck it. And I ran inside.
Hey, Uncle Tyler, do you have a scar?
It was actually Sarah, Brandon's wife, who
Oh.
was watching over us.
Devin.
And you went inside, or I told Sarah, because Sarah was watching us.
Yeah.
And you kind of came in and you were just like, what? And she was like, Devin, how could you do that? And, she could very clearly see this massive welt of a BB on my neck. So she knew very clearly you had shot me in the neck. And I told her, you said direct hit, so I knew that you had intended to hit me somewhere
Right.
where it was going to hurt. She was super mad at you.
Devin.
That's hilarious. Well, another time, a bird flew into our house and it was flying around. Do you remember this time?
That's cool.
And Mom was like, "We need to get the bird out. How are we gonna get this bird out?" I know. I'll shoot it with my BB gun. So I get out my BB gun and I really wanted to just shock it. I just wanted to hit it and it'd fall and surprise it and then I'd let it go. But I shot it also right in the neck. And I killed it. Well, serves it right for flying into our house, right?
And there was another episode with your BB guns.
Oh yeah?
I think we were playing basketball or something. It was at night, and the lights were on.
Okay. Oh
And
yeah, I remember
you
this.
decided to shoot one of the lights with your gun.
Yeah.
And it broke the bulb.
Yeah, I remember that.
And
Corey got super mad.
Corey and Mom were mad. Yeah.
All right, we are now having breakfast. What do you guys think of the food?
It's good.
I mixed jam and sugar, and it tastes so good.
Oh,
Even
great.
syrup and sugar.
Nice.
I need a
Yeah.
bag of sugar.
Okay.
Having Able Skeevers, right?
Okay.
Nice job, Tyler.
Guys, you guys are going way too hard.
It was on your first time ever.
Yeah, what did you guys think of Able Skeevers?
I do.
Was good?
Nice. I love
Yeah, my
it.
hands are sticky.
Yeah,
Sugar and syrup is too much.
a lot. It's a lot. Yeah. See, sugar is already in jam and syrup,
I know, that's what I said.
so you don't need to add more sugar.
I just said I'm adding more sugar to make it
Yesterday, so our tent, we've had this tent for a long time, almost, I don't know, 12 years, something like that. And we thought, so we bought another tent a few years ago, that green one, because this tent wouldn't zip anymore. And I don't know why stuff stops zipping, but I just learned. It was, this clasp becomes too worn out and becomes too wide. But if you pinch it down with needle nose pliers, you can fix it. And that's what one of the campground hosts, this woman, she and her husband and their daughter, I think they came in. She fixed it. And it was awesome. And now we have two perfectly good tents.
Let's see if I can melt the stickiness. Is that a thing?
Probably it was something I could have Googled a long time ago and could have saved ourselves a second tent. But
I only
Now we have 2 tents.
This was my
No more sugar, guys. Because the syrup has sugar, the jam has sugar.
My
Sweet.
sugar.